5 viewers, hello 5 viewers, shout out. So, inaantok ako. Ayan, shout out 9 viewers. Hello 9 viewers. Welcome to my live stream. Nine viewers, hello. Ayan, wala na naman. Aray, sakit ng anak. Shout out 9 viewers. Hello 9 viewers. Ayan, welcome to my live stream. 9 viewers. So, bala kong gumawa ng tiramisu cake ngayon, pero dahil wala akong cocoa powder, ayan, tinamad na naman ako. Yan guys, don't forget, if you want to join in my membership, just click the join, join button and Patreon link. Charot. Sobrang dry ng lips ko dito. Grabe, nagbabalat siya lagi. Shoutout 8 viewers. Hello 8 viewers. Welcome to my live stream. Ano to? Bakit ganito? We used to be frightened, scared to try, and things were really understand why. We love for a moment, starts to cry. Share. Nawala na pala ang community. Lang yan na yan. Bakit nawala na yung community? Bakit kaya ganun, no? Dalawa naman yung live ko. Ayan, 4 viewers. Hello, 4 viewers. Shout out, 4 viewers. Bakit hindi ayun na, nakita ko na. Nakita ko na ang live ko, mga inday. Nakita ko na siya. Siguro tapos na isa kong live. Naantok ako ah.